Welcome to HM Architecture. In today's video, we are presenting a beautiful and well-designed 30 by 35 feet 2 BHK house plan featuring two bedrooms, attached baths, a spacious hall, and a modern kitchen. As soon as we enter through the main door, we step directly into the hall measuring 20 feet 3 inches by 15 feet. It includes a comfortable sitting area on the right side and a dining space on the upper right, creating a warm and functional environment for family gatherings. Next to the hall, on the lower right side, we have the staircase positioned conveniently for easy vertical access to the upper floor. Moving toward the lower left corner, we enter the kitchen, size 12 feet 4 inches by 12 feet 4 inches. It is a spacious L-shaped layout with ample working space, storage, and good natural lighting. Beside the kitchen area, we find the common bathroom, measuring 11 feet by 4 feet 2 inches. It is easily accessible from the hall. Now we move to the right bedroom, sized 11 feet 6 inches by 12 feet 3 inches. This room is bright and well arranged, with space for a double bed, side tables, and storage. Attached to this bedroom is a private bath measuring 4 feet by 7 feet 2 inches, providing convenience and privacy. On the left side of the plan, we have the second bedroom, size 12 feet 4 inches by 12 feet 3 inches. It includes good ventilation, a comfortable bed layout, and space for additional furniture. Below this bedroom, on the left side of the hall, we find its attached bathroom, also sized 11 feet by 4 feet 2 inches. Overall, this 30 by 35 feet 2 BHK house plan offers a practical layout with two spacious bedrooms, both with attached bathrooms, a large central hall, a modern kitchen, and well planned circulation. It is a perfect design for a compact but comfortable family home. Thanks for watching this house plan walkthrough by HM Architecture. If you enjoyed the design, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more amazing house plans.